Hey guys, it's Lottie's Cutes Art here, and for this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to draw a girl and boy donut. Now let's get started. So the first thing you need to draw is two circles for the girl and the boy, and I'm going to use this for a template. Just like that. Don't worry if it's a bit of a mess, you can rub it out later. Then do another circle and overlap it onto the next one and draw around. Just like that. Now the next thing you need to do is draw the two circles in the middle. Then you need to add the icing, just going across like that. Then once you've done that, you can add decorations. So I'm going to draw a little bow here on the girl. Just like that. And then I'm going to draw some more circles here for more decoration. Just like that. And then for the boy, I'm going to draw some stars. Just like that. Now you need to add the face of the girl. I'm going to draw two humps, the little circle underneath, then two eyelashes, and a smile, cap it off, and two circles for her cheeks. And for the boy, draw two circles, another circle inside, then two eyebrows, and a smile, cap it off. And once you've done that, you can draw some highlights. So a big line and a small line, and again here for the boy. And once you've done that, you can go around it again with a dark pencil to make it stand out. And then once you've done that, you can colour it in, and you can do whatever colours you want. And just like that, you are done. Thank you for watching. Comment down below what other tutorials you would like me to see.